At this pace. Oh, now close. He's gone a long way across. Close. They're going to have a look, and it's Stephen Smith.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW. On-field decision is not out. Confirm it's the fair delivery. You can go to front on spin vision. Nice and slow. Yeah, can you go to the ultra edge, please? Nice and slow. I can see clear gap and no bat involved. You can go to the ball tracking when it's ready. Impact in line and wicket sitting. Impact in line, wicket sitting. I recommend you to change your original decision